Hey guys, I got this weed puller. I've got lots of dandelions. Pulling by hand is very tough. This tool should help me with this job. So check it out. This is pretty good size. It adjusts to 3 different lengths. Very easy to use. I'm going to check it out and show it to you, but check out how nice of a construction it has. Very easy to use. The grip right here, this handle, you would press down on this pedal right here in order to shove it into the ground over the weed and pull it out. When you press this pedal against the ground, you can see how this pinches and grabs the weed. So let's check it out. Okay, I have my bunch of dandelions right here. I'm going to go over the center of it, push this in, and then pull this back and pull out the weed. Check that out. And all you do now is you just press here and release the weed. Let's do another one. Pull back and remove it. See how it removes it with the root? So this is awesome. What you do now is just push this back and throw this in your bucket. Amazing. Check that out. So that's how it works. This is a great tool. I'm very happy with it and would recommend it to anyone.